What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? First of all, welcome to my page. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Rico, and today I'll be unboxing the Siser's 9x12 heat press. I picked this up at Michael's for about $350 on sale. I think usually it's like $400 or something like that. But let's get to unboxing. I won't keep talking too much, and let's see what's inside. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is what the Siser Heat Press looks like. It's a 9x12. It's not the biggest heat press, but if you want to get started, you know what I'm saying, you can buy something. The ones that I've seen on Amazon are a bit questionable. That's why I decided to spend a little bit more money, even though I have a smaller press size. So, you know, here goes the timer, the temperature, everything like that. This is for the pressure of what you're going to be pressing shirt-wise. And obviously, this is the clamp. Takes a little bit of force to get up. But once you open it, oh man, that thing is pretty. We're gonna have to, you know, try to get it to heat up. It says it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So this is just a short video just to show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna heat it up, give it 15 to 20 minutes and I'll be right back with you guys. All right guys, so quick little in between. It's been about 5 minutes. The temperature is finally rising. I thought something was wrong with it at first, but they did say it would take about 15 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes to get the temperature up there. So everything looks good. I think I set it at 300 about. So it's slowly getting there. I can feel the heat under the plate. I do not advise you do this, but we'll be back again shortly. All right, so I set it to 320. It jumped up to 323. It looks like it dropped down to 322 as well. So maybe that's just its way of working itself out. And it went right to 320. Didn't alert me with any noise or anything like that, but let's get a quick press and see how it works. All right, this is the mock-up shirt I'll be using. It's on backwards. I'm just trying to use a clean area. Here's the sample that I'll be pressing from SupaColor. I had ordered a sample kit just to see how their quality was. So I'm gonna put that down there, but I'm also gonna use some parchment paper since I don't have Teflon paper right now. So let me get that ready and I'll be right back. All right, so this will be the sample, a small sample, SupaColor. Shout out to them. If you guys want to sponsor me, holla. All right, so we'll place this right here. And we'll put this here. And then we'll press for 13 seconds. And there goes the timer right there going off. Almost there. And we're ready. All right, so I'm gonna peel and see if it was ready, if 13 seconds was enough. Well, apparently not. So we'll do that again. We'll press again. We'll tighten the pressure up a little bit. All right, that might be better. Let's check. Let's peel a corner. Oh, not quite, not quite. We might have to let this cool. I might be doing this wrong. All right, guys, so it's an immediate peel, but I don't think this is long enough, so we'll keep doing it. Just a little bit of trial and error, All right, we're gonna do an immediate peel, like I said. Don't do this, what I'm doing. Bam. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on, let me just take this off real quick so you guys can get a better look. SupaColor, it pressed. It really did press. I'm gonna put this back on the tripod. We're gonna stretch this out a little bit, as they say. And look at that. Nice press. So it's gonna be trial and error sometimes with the times. They said 15 seconds. I would say more like 30 seconds for something small like this. That's why I use this as a mock-up shirt, but look at it. Stretching. And it presses pretty good, you know what I'm saying? For my first time pressing with an actual heat press instead of using like a Cricut heat press, which is a handheld. But yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. And you don't even feel it. That's the beauty of it. You can't even like really feel it on the shirt. But shout out to SupaColor as well. Shout out to Scissors, because this is a great little press. Even though it's a 9x12, you can get things done, especially if you're just getting started like myself. And I think it was definitely worth the money. So I appreciate you guys coming by. It was just a small little video. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. I'll be trying to come with more content soon. And as always, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.